Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make instant milk powder. This is beans. I'm going to start by picking the date inside the soya beans, and then this is my water. I've put it on fire. This is charcoal. After picking out the date, I'm going to rinse the soya beans and pour it inside the water. Let it boil out. Allow it to boil very well. This quantity of soya beans is 5 milk cup. 5 milk cups. Let's check it. Let's check it. See. Soya beans is done. See, the back can easily peel out. Wow. So let me pour it in a filter. Rinse it with cold water so that it will get cold, so that I'll be able to squeeze it to remove the back. So after rinsing twice with water, squeeze it like this so that the shaft, the back will peel off. This is the easier means of removing the back. Just boil it. It's done. It's done. It's done like this. And squeeze it. Once you sieve it, to remove the shaft, all these beans, these soya beans that follow the shaft, try and pick it up so that it will not waste, to avoid wastage. Me, I don't like to waste too. I don't like wastage. Don't like wasting food. This shaft, you can give it to your cattle. It is very, very good for them, very nutritional for your cattle. And if you don't have cattle, you can give it to anyone around you that rear cattle. Give them. It is very, very nutritious. Nothing should be a waste. So after washing the soybeans, you spray it on a rice bag to dry. Open sack bag like this, or you use tray. Or if you have food dehydrator, you can use it. But if you don't have food hydrator, you can use rice bag, use sack to dry it. So spray it one like this so that it will dry. It is quite sunny today. Let it to dry because it needs to dry today. Let it dry very well so it doesn't get spoiled. This is it. It is fully dry. I hear the sound. It is dry. Add devino. I crush it, and groundnuts. Small groundnuts, fried one. Fried little groundnuts and dates, devino. So I'm going to be taking it to a local grinder where they will grind it for me because I don't have a blender that can blend it. Hello guys, this is the milk powder. I'm going to use it to make tea. All you need is to package it in an airtight container. Add your coffee, Bonvita. I'm adding Milo. Wow, this is very delicious. Mm, so delicious. Mm. You can make only the milk and add sweetener to your taste. Very sweet, very delicious. Mm. And some like it. This is my niece testing it. How does it taste? You like it? Okay, for my son. My son taking it, drinking it. You like it? So this is it. I'm going to cover it and keep it. You can also make it with warm water, drop it in your freezer, refrigerate it to be cool. Just take it like soya milk drink. It is very nice. Give it a try. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video you will get notified. God bless you.